speaking of Tesla, Elon Musk says two-factor authentication is coming. Did you know there was no two-factor on your Tesla?
I mean, it was a long time coming, but yeah, I would expect there would be.
Yeah, because it's a car. Seems like pretty. You wouldn't want that password to get out. Anyway, apparently it will soon be available for via SMS or an authenticator app. This came out via a tweet, as much of the Elon Musk news does. Here is the original question. Elon, say something about two-factor authentication, man. Is it happening? Last year, it depended on some IT system overhaul. ... Speaking of that, I actually sent a tweet to Elon Musk. He didn't respond. I was asking about those solar roof panels.
Oh, to have one installed? And
they look like regular shingles, but it's actually solar. But I was hearing it's been hard to get those, and they're not really promoting them. I don't know what the issue is.
Right.
And especially since we're based in Canada, I don't know what the restrictions are or how hard it is to come by this product. It was delayed and then everything else. So if anybody knows, let me know on Twitter. If anybody in Canada has successfully gotten those panels, because I'm curious about that product. Anyways, so he responds to the original tweet saying, sorry, this is embarrassingly late. Two-factor authentication via SMS or authenticator app is going through final validation right now. So Tesla vehicles usually are pretty tough to steal in the first place, but this will take it to another level, obviously. You'll have a PIN code entry and then two-factor. And I guess the authenticator app is going to be the most secure version of the whole thing. And that's going to be rolling out shortly. Tesla people, be ready.